Creating an effective visual weld inspection checklist. Welcome. In this presentation, we'll walk through a step-by-step guide to creating an effective visual weld inspection checklist. While this won't be the ultimate or final version for every situation, it will give you a solid starting point and direction. Why does a welding inspection checklist matter? A welding inspection checklist is critical for several reasons. Ensuring consistency and quality during inspections, identifying defects and nonconformities early to prevent catastrophic issues later, maintaining compliance with welding codes and standards throughout the project, enhancing safety and performance by ensuring consistent practices across inspectors, welds, and shifts. What should go into a welding checklist? Here's what to include in your welding inspection checklist. 1. Project details. Document the job number, client name, and other key information. 2. Welding process. Identify the process being used and its critical variables. 3. Applicable codes and standards. Specify the standards required by the project, such as AWS D1.1 or ASME Section 9. 4. Project type. Define what you're building, structural, aerospace, or other applications. 5. Inspection criteria. Include dimensions, visual quality, aesthetics, and whether non-destructive testing (NDT) is required. Step 1. Understand project requirements. Begin by reviewing all project documentation, including contracts, blueprints, and job-specific specifications. Identify the applicable codes for the project. For example, if you're welding stainless steel, ensure the code aligns with the material. Using AWS D1.1 for stainless steel wouldn't work because it isn't compatible with that material. Define inspection criteria, such as visual checks, surface finish, cracks, porosity, and undercut. Dimensional checks, weld size, throat thickness, and leg lengths. Structural integrity, alignment, distortion, and penetration. Establish clear pass-fail thresholds for each criterion. Address safety. Safety is paramount. Ensure inspectors are equipped with appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE. Confirm work area accessibility, including ladders, confined spaces, and other considerations. Assess environmental factors like lighting, temperature, and cleanliness. For example, welds should be free of paint, grease, or dirt, and not excessively hot during inspection. Plan for non-destructive testing, NDT. If the project requires NDT, specify the methods based on project requirements. These might include radiographic testing, RT, ultrasonic testing, UT, magnetic particle testing, MT, dye penetrant testing, PT. Keep in mind that the engineering team typically determines these requirements, as different weld classifications have varying inspection needs. Organize the checklist layout. A well-organized checklist should follow a logical sequence. Pre-weld checks, initial weld passes, hold points for inspections, e.g., root pass, midway, and final pass. Use simple language and clear formatting. Leave space for inspector initials, dates, and comments, as some situations might require detailed explanations beyond checkboxes. Step 5. Train and update for effective use. To use the checklist effectively, 1. Train inspectors on how to fill it out properly. Provide work instructions to ensure consistent application. 2. Regularly update the checklist as projects evolve. Collect feedback from inspectors to refine and improve it. 3. Store completed checklist as part of the project records. For critical projects, such as nuclear applications, retain these records for longer durations per client requirements. Ready to build your welding inspection checklist? A well-designed checklist ensures safety, quality, and compliance. Use this guide to start building yours today. If you have questions, feel free to reach out. We're here to help.